How to fix TikTok website link not working. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can fix TikTok website link not working issue. So there might be multiple reasons why this kind of error occurs on your device. So to fix it, what you can do is just simply watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then to begin with, check for the update. If you haven't updated the application in a while, then it might be one of the reasons. So for that, you need to head over to the Play Store and on the search box type in TikTok, and instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated for the latest feature, and after updating the application you might be able to fix your issue. However, updating an application might not be a permanent solution. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also just clear the cache of TikTok. For that, you need to log into your TikTok account. So after you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon located right in the corner. Once you've done that, head over to the menu page, that is tap on the bar icon, go to settings and privacy. Once you're on this page, you need to scroll down and head over to the section of cache and cellular. So click on free up space. After that, you need to clear the cache. For that, click on clear cache, click on it. And if you want to clear the downloaded as well, then just tap on clear and all your downloads will be deleted. Now head back to your profile page once again, click on edit, and now you should be able to fix your TikTok website link. However, if you're still unable to fix it, apart from that, you can also check your internet connection. Sometimes the major issue might be your internet connection. If you're not connected to a stable internet service, then you might be probably facing this kind of issue. So what you have to do is you need to head over to your settings page. So open up your settings application, and once you're on this page, click on network and internet. Right over here, you'll be able to see whether you're connected to a Wi-Fi service, mobile data or not. If you're already connected to a Wi-Fi service and if you're still unable to fix it, then you can try switching over to a mobile data and similarly do the same procedure for the mobile data or the Wi-Fi users, and you might be able to fix the issue. Now, instead of doing all of these procedures, you're still unable to fix it, then you can try restarting your device as well as uninstalling the application and reinstalling it. After doing that, you might be able to fix the issue. So these were the few steps on how you can fix TikTok website link not working issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.